Can you see this? अच्छे से देखो भाई. Can you see this?
Turn sideways. This side way, Lodu.
Hi everyone, my name is Sukanya. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I can't believe after 10 years of procrastination, I have finally made a YouTube channel. So kudos to me for that. देर आई but दुरुस्त आई. So before starting my YouTube channel, I was making content on Instagram. ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत खास चल रहा था, but I was like, ठीक है. तो after a point, I got a little bored. I was like, नहीं ये नहीं चल रहा है, and I have a lot to study. Life happens. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take a break, sabbatical break, and उसके बाद I'll come and I'll have a comeback. So when I took this break, I thought a lot of people are going to text me saying कि भाई where did you disappear? Why you not posting content regularly? घंटा किसी को नहीं फर्क पड़ा था, एक बंदे को रत्ती भर की फर्क पड़ नहीं रही थी. So then I decided that तुम वीडियो डालो या नहीं डालो, literally किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. So might as well start making videos because at least then you have done something. So उसी जोश में I was like, you know what? Let's create this YouTube channel and start making videos. कल को when I'll become famous, तुम ही लोग पीछे आओगे बोल के कि मैम, or at least you'll be like, I know her. Then I'll be like, bitch, I don't know you. No, I'm not that petty though. I kinda am. I'm so delusional. I've already thought कि इसके बाद I'll have a million subscribers. Million तो बहुत दूर की बात है. Maybe even if I have like a lakh subscribers, I'm gonna make a giveaway, and the first 5 people who subscribe to my channel, I'm gonna give them goodies. So इतना दूर तक मैंने सोच लिया है. So let's go. Let's start making videos. So my intention with this channel is that I'm gonna share the bizarre things and experiences that I've had in this lifetime. Like, I'm kidding you not, I have had some amazing experiences. जो अभी स्टोरी में अच्छा लगेगा, पर जब एक्चुअली मेरे साथ हो रहा था मेरे फटके चार हो गई थी. सो लेट्स डाइव इनटू इट. आई ऑल्सो थॉट दैट व्हाइल आई नरेट द स्टोरीज, व्हाई नॉट डू माई मेकअप ऑल्सो. बाय द वे, आई एम वेरी बैड एट डूइंग मेकअप, सो आई डू नॉट नो व्हाई आई हैव टेकन अप द चैलेंज. By the way, I'm very bad at makeup, so I do not know why I'm taking up this challenge. But well, let's disappoint twice, shall we? Let's go. So ये सन 2019-20 की बात है, when I used to have this college best friend. Gee, I just ate the anyways. So I have this college best friend who like loves celebrating birthdays, and so I was like, you know what? I'm also going to throw you an epic birthday party. I am actually very bad at managing all of these things, especially compared to her. But this time I was like, you know what? I am also going to give you an epic birthday party. So back then I used to have a boyfriend. So me, my boyfriend and her, we had like a very nice rapport. So we could hang out very nicely. I don't think I'll be able to multitask, by the way. Anyways, so the three of us would have a lot of time. So the three of us would have a lot of good time together. So the plan was that I'll tell her कि उस time पे हमारे exams भी होते रहते हैं. So I was gonna tell her कि listen, none of our other friends decided to show up for clubbing. We are like high on clubbing. We love clubbing. So I was like, listen, the plan is we are gonna go clubbing. So none of our other friends, I told her कि none of our other friends can come clubbing because exam का scene है and ये सब. And then so her college best friend was in town उस time पे, and she was expecting कि उसकी college best friend तो आएगी. But then I was like, listen, उसका तो मैं नहीं बता सकती कि उसका क्या scene है. But the thing is, none of our other friends decided to come for the clubbing scene because they have to study and all. So I was like, so it's just gonna be me, you and him. Are you okay with that? She's like, अभी okay तो होना ही पड़ेगा. What else can she do, right? But then little did she know that I had an epic plan planned for her. Epic plan planned for her. What? Okay. हाँ, तो मेरा प्लान ये था कि meanwhile she thinks कि it's just us clubbing and और कोई नहीं है birthday पे. Meanwhile her other friends are gonna set up our house, must decorate करके रखेंगे. So at 12 o'clock we're gonna celebrate her birthday at the pub, and then we're gonna go tell her कि भाई चलो जल्दी चलते, college भी अपन को जाना है करके. And then she'll come back, and then her college best friend is gonna open the door and be like, happy birthday, and she's gonna be like, best birthday ever. So वो मेरा प्लान था. So I was like, kudos to me for that because मैंने बहुत अच्छी एक्टिंग करी थी to throw her off the court कि भाई कोई सरप्राइज नहीं है तेरे लिए. I can't find my stuff. How am I supposed to do all these things? So everything was going right according to the plan, and भाई बंदी को बुरा लग रहा था because she is like, भाई how can my best friend not come? I was like, हाँ, she is your best friend, I am not your best friend. मैं मेरा अलग ही बकचोदी चल रहा है. I was like, तो she is finally like, हाँ छोड़ ठीक है, what can we do? So we went clubbing. Now we are having the best time of our life there. Like मजा आ रहा था. We were back in Bangalore and सही चल रहा था. Everything was going fine. Then 12 बजने के टाइम पे we told the DJ कि भाई go wish my friend happy birthday. तो they're like happy birthday. So we're having a lot of fun. Then फिर text आता है, लोगों के text आने लगे obviously कि where are you guys? Because 12:30 तक बज गए थे. And we told them कि before 12:30 we'll come somehow. So they are like, भाई where are you guys? We're already ready. And some of them actually had curfew and all. So they were like, क्या कर रहे हो, जल्दी आओ यार तुम लोग. And ये बंदी को वो बंदी आना ही नहीं चाहती. She's like, no, I'm having so much fun. Why should I go back home? कुछ नहीं है उधर. Usually उसको भनक पड़ जाती है if I'm trying to do something. But that day I was so convincingly good. that she did not realize कि I had something planned for her. So she was like, नहीं जाना मेरे को, BT मत दे, I really want to be. तो हमारा थोड़ा खींच गया, 1 बज गया था. And I was like, listen, अभी जाना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो उधर से मेरे को जूते मिलेंगे. They're like, what the hell is this? वो लोग उधर रुके हुए कब से, और वो लोग भी 11 बजे गए. मैं बोली थी थोड़े 12 से थोड़ा पहले आओ. Whatever, I can't control everything, right? Somehow we managed to convince her कि भाई चलो, and then we went. Now the most dramatic thing in the world happens to me, so brace yourself for that. Before that, can I tell you, I literally have no idea what I'm doing. मेरे है भी नहीं ये सारे makeup brushes, and every makeup item is my sister's, so I'm really hoping कि कोई मुझे दे दे collaboration, and then I get free goodies, and then I can give her. Anyways, so the most dramatic thing in my life happens now. So usually क्या होता है ना, by default I somehow sit in the middle, ऑटो के मिडल में आई सेट. बट दैट डे व्हाट हैपेंड इज जल्दी करना था, तो मैं एकदम स्ट्रेट गई. उसके बाद माई फ्रेंड केम एंड देन माई बॉयफ्रेंड सेट. सो अपन बैठे थे उधर ही, एंड देन सो वी स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग सॉन्ग्स इन द ऑटो, एंड हम लोग मस्त अपना चिल मार रहे. सो वी वर वाइबिंग ऑन टू जितने यो हनी सिंग्स बज रहे, जितने बादशाह बज सकते बज रहे. So every girl gang has this set of songs that they vibe to right while they are getting ready or while they are feeling themselves. So हमारे भी थे कुछ गिने चुने. एक तो हम लोग बेवफा पे बहुत chill करते हैं, but बेवफा was not our vibe that day. So the next best song that we have is I'm a bad girl and I don't give a damn. Basically cocktail के वो सारे पार्टी गाने. So वो एक के बाद एक बजाने लगी, and we are like partying in the auto. We are like vibe बंद नहीं होनी चाहिए भाई. So now what happened is, so वो इधर बैठी है बीच में, and I'm hugging her and I'm having fun. I'm like, oh, we are having so much fun. So can I tell you also, because I think this is very important for this video, that we were not that intoxicated as well. Like माना कि yes we were, but उतने intoxicated नहीं है कि पता नहीं चल रहा कि आजू बाजू क्या हो रहा है. At least I was very much in my senses, and I really want to highlight this point that yes I was clearly नहीं मतलब, but I was in my senses. मुझे I have seen worse, so मैं काफी senses में थी. So I was hugging her and we are having fun, and she starts playing the song, we are vibing and I'm holding her. जैसे चेकू बजा, I was like अरे चेकू, तो मेरी कमर थोड़ी अटक गई थी. So that's why I just wanted to straighten my back a little bit, and I'm like चेकू. उसी मोमेंट में दी ऑटो वाला put the brakes, and मैं स्मार्ट करके राइट साइड से निकली. I took a गरबा बैरल. I'm not even exaggerating this even a little bit. मैं राइट हैंड से गिरी, एक मस्त बैरल टर्न लेके I landed on my left. सड़क पे मैं गिर गई. Can you imagine? And I am the luckiest person on this planet because पीछे से एक भी गाड़ी नहीं आ रही थी. Literally I kid you not, one way था, दूसरे वे से गाड़ी जा रही थी, and रात के 12:30 बजे है in a top tier city. Can you imagine? I am so lucky. कोई पीछे से भैंचो नहीं आ रहा था. ऑटो 100 मीटर तक गया, उसके बाद they realized कि what the fuck just happened? Did she just fly out of the auto? Because I did. मैं उधर मस्त लेट के हंस रही हूँ because जितना मुझे दर्द हो रहा था उससे ज्यादा मेरे को हंसी आ रही थी because what the fuck just happened. I couldn't even process what the fuck just happened. So मैं उधर ऐसे लेट के मैं हंस रही हूँ and they come running. ऑटो वाली की तो गंदी वाली फट गई थी, इन दोनों की तो फटी ही थी. ऑटो वाली की अलग लेवल फट गई. So they somehow pick me up and then they put me in the auto. Obviously I'm bleeding from here and there. I am gonna show you the video. I have proof. So इधर से खून निकल रहा है, सबके फट गई थी. लाइक वो तो हेल आई यू नॉट, आई मीन तुमको दर्द नहीं हो रहा भाई. लिटरली मैं गरबा माफिक, मैं उड़ गई लाइक फकिंग बेबलेट, मैं उड़ के गिरी हूँ. तो दे आर लाइक तुमको चोट वोट नहीं लगी क्या? ऑब्वियसली लग रही है, दिख नहीं रहा, खून निकल रहा है. बट आई जस्ट फॉर सम रीजन आई वॉज लाइक वाइब नहीं रुकनी चाहिए, जैसे मदर ने बोला है डाउनफॉल में भी मस्ती नहीं रुकनी चाहिए. सो आई वॉज लाइक तू खुश रहे भाई, तेरा बर्थडे सही जाएगा, इट्स ओके, आई विल मैनेज, ये दर्द मैं सह लूंगी. So somehow we made it to the, luckily we were not that far away from our house, so somehow we made it to the house. And when हमारा घर भी 4 माले पे है, लिफ्ट भी नहीं है, तो चल रहे. I don't know how I managed. I was like चलो थोड़े नशे करने हैं भाई, बहुत दर्द हो रहा है. So we went to the house, and then उसके बाद my roommate had some first aid, so मैंने हाथ वाथ धोया, and उसके बाद they helped me wash it off, and then उसकी एक पट्टी थी. I knew कि वो अगर मैं पट्टी लगा लूँ तो I'll be fine. And तो my roommate came, everyone is like क्या हो गया, everyone was like surprise, then they got surprised, they were like क्या हो गया इसको, and then I was like नहीं कुछ नहीं है, you guys have fun. And उसके बाद after all the first aid मैंने फाइनली वो पट्टी लगा ली. सो पट्टी लगाने के बाद आई वाज फाइनली ओके. आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, उतना भी नहीं हो रहा है. एंड आई वाज लाइक चलो थोड़ा घटका दो ताकि मुझे याद ही नहीं रहे कि कितना दर्द हो रहा है. बिकॉज आई जेन्युइनली डिड नॉट वांट कि वाइब खराब हो जाए. इतनी मेहनत मैंने करी थी यार ये सरप्राइज थ्रो करने में, ऐसे कैसे मैं जाने दूँ. ऐसे आई एम अ लिटिल क्रैकहेड ओनली लाइक दैट. बट ऑल्सो हुआ ये था कि बोथ ऑफ देम स्टार्टेड क्राइंग. माई एक्स बॉयफ्रेंड एंड माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड, दे स्टार्टेड क्राइंग, भै करके रो रहे हैं. लाइक मेरे को चोट लगी है, मैं इतना नहीं रो रही, व्हाई आर यू गाइस क्राइंग सो मच. क्योंकि उनकी फट गई थी यार, दे वर रियली स्कैर्ड. मैं हंस रही हूँ गधी माफिक, बट इट वॉज अ वेरी इंटेंस सिचुएशन. सो व्हेन दे स्टार्टेड क्राइंग आई वाज लाइक ओके नाउ आई रियली हैव टू लाइटन द मूड बिकॉज दीज गाइज आर लाइक रियली फट गई है इनकी. तो आई वाज लाइक नहीं बोल सकती. But you understand, right? So after a while, I did not feel a thing. I was vibing. You can see these videos. Be like, I am vibing. मेरा दोस्त मस्त गाना बजा रहा है. He's playing the guitar and I am vibing on the songs. उसके बाद सब कुछ सही चला. Even she calmed down a little bit. He calmed down a little bit. Everyone calmed down a little bit. And vibe मस्त चल रहा था. Everyone is having fun. And I was like, yes, best birthday surprise ever. Then comes tomorrow. It's a new day. So this is one of those situations where you can't be like रात गई बात गई, क्योंकि the next morning when I woke up I was like what the fuck just happened yesterday, because मैं भाई उंगली को ऐसे भी नहीं कर पा रही थी because ये इतना ज़्यादा दर्द कर रहा था. like I couldn't move even my fingers. मैं अगर थोड़ा ऐसे भी कर रही थी like zoom करके लग रहा था. I was like I am fucked because I really think this is a fracture and मेरी मम्मी मेरी मार देगी. So I was like I really don't know what to do. starting में मैंने मेरी बहन को भी कुछ नहीं बताया because I was like shit scared कि like क्या बोलेंगे यार, what is this behavior. So I was like very scared. So I was like I have to go to the hospital. I have to see X-ray लेके देखना ही पड़ेगा because this really sounds like a fracture. और अगर fracture हो गया I am fucked because I have my exams in like 2-3 weeks, okay? So I was like क्या करूँगी मैं? I am freaking out. And उसके बाद where are my stuff? Like what? मिल गया. So उसके बाद I am like what am I gonna do? So I somehow go. I am still laughing by the way. मतलब देख रहे हो बेशर्मी की हद. I was still laughing and I finally went. I gave my X-ray and then I finally gathered the guts to tell my sister because unemployed तो मैं हूँ ही. I was like, who's gonna give me money for my broken hand? So I'm somehow calling my sister and I'm like, listen, ये सब हो गया. She's like, what the hell, dude? What the hell did you do? मैं मम्मी को क्या बोलूँगी? I'm like, मत बोलो, कुछ मत बोलो भाई, मत बोलो. And then she's like, okay, just get your X-ray done and let me know. I was like, yes, cool. So I went. So I went and then I got an X-ray done. उसके बाद मैं भागी ऑर्थोपेडिशियन के पास गया. लाइक भाई क्या है देख लो. बंदा वो मेरा रिपोर्ट ऐसे पकड़ा. आई एम नॉट इवन exaggerating this a little bit. He literally holds my report like this and he looks at me and I honestly told him whatever the situation was that I was also like I told him everything very honestly. तो वो मेरा ऐसे रिपोर्ट देख रहा है. देन ही लुक्स एट माई हैंड एंड देन आई एम लाइक भाई सस्पेंस क्या बना रहा है, बोल दो यार. आई रियली वांट टू नो. आई एम फ्रीकिंग आउट. व्हाट द हेल इज दिस. एंड दफा करके मेरे को खत्म करो. देन ही इज लुकिंग एट द रिपोर्ट एंड ही इज लुकिंग एट मी एंड देन ही इज लाइक द वे यू टोल्ड योर स्टोरी आई थिंक यू हैव लाइक रियली स्ट्रॉन्ग बोन्स. I was like okay thank you. I mean this is the rarest kind of compliment I've ever gotten but okay thanks. Then he's like yeah because जिस हिसाब से तूने स्टोरी बोला है मेरे को तो लगा था फ्रैक्चर ही है. I was like हाँ मुझे भी लगा था पर नहीं है क्या. Then he's like नहीं it's just a contusion. And he's like I'll give you some pain meds. तुमको I mean you have to wait and let it heal itself क्योंकि उससे ज़्यादा कुछ कर नहीं सकते. So I'll give you some pain meds, take them regularly and उसके बाद 1-2 हफ्ते में ठीक हो जाएगा. जैसा कि 2 हफ्ते के बाद एग्जाम से कैसे लिखूंगी, कैसे जाऊंगी, कैसे चेंज करूंगी कपड़े है. व्हाट एम आई सपोज्ड टू डू. देन ही इज लाइक ज़्यादा मोबिलिटी मत करो. I'm like कर भी नहीं सकती. आई कांट डू इट. सो ही इज लाइक ठीक है दवाई लो उसके बाद रहो फुलो फलो और क्या ही बोल सकते हैं. उसके बाद मैं आ गई. And then I told my mom, obviously my mom will find out, right? I really told her कि भाई also our stairs are like very steep and very scary. So it's kind of believable that मैं सीढ़ी से लॉन्ड्री कर रही थी तो मैं सीढ़ी से गिर गई. So ऐसे मेरा हाथ का ये हो गया. But my mom didn't buy for shit. She knew कि कुछ तो कांड करके इसका हुआ है. But I was very convincing कि नहीं मम्मी मैं गिरी यार. वो stairs are very fucked up. In fact my roommate she actually fell down the stairs once. So I was like नहीं यार सच्ची में गिरी मैं stairs से. So yeah, that was one of the most dramatic नहीं बोलूँगी क्योंकि इससे ज़्यादा ट्रॉमा हो चुका है मेरे लाइफ में जो probably I'll tell you some other day. But this was definitely one of the most dramatic things that has ever happened to me in my life. And वो the next 2 weeks was really challenging for me honestly. अभी तो मैं मजाक बना रही हूँ but तब जब हो रहा था ना I was like I couldn't do anything. For a while of course my friends had helped me, my boyfriend had helped me, but there were times when I was like legit alone and मैं कुछ कर ही नहीं पा रही थी. It was my left hand but still यार ऐसा लग रहा था कि भाई क्या चल रहा है. So yeah I shouldn't do anything. ऐसी चीज़ें मत करो यार guys. स्टोरी खत्म हो गई. मेरा मेकअप भी खत्म नहीं हो रहा because I really don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I think I've made it too whatever. I'm just gonna finish it and I'm gonna come back. In my head I really thought that I was doing a bomb makeup on myself but यार चूतिया जैसा मैं लग रही हूँ. But it's okay. It's an everyday story. I hope you had fun listening to the story because अभी मैं बोल रही हूँ इतना हंस हंस के, पर उस टाइम पे भी एक्चुअली उतनी ज़्यादा फटी नहीं थी जितना फटनी चाहिए. बट दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू डेफिनेटली शुडंट डू गाइज. इट्स रॉन्ग. टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ. Because I genuinely feel in सबके बाद that I'm genuinely the luckiest person alive. Because भाई, can you imagine the wrath? Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to my channel if you like listening to my stories. I'm gonna come out with another amazing stories because I literally have ऐसे stack करके crazy stories that I have to tell you, which happens to me almost on an everyday basis. So I'll see you next time. Bye. Namaste.